President Trump's promise to eliminate federal income tax on workers' tips and overtime is now a reality after he signed the Big Beautiful Act that passed in Congress last week. But how does that new legislation work?
And how much does it really cost? KCCI senior reporter Todd Magel is live downtown to answer those questions. Todd.
Or Nicole, that new tax legislation is really designed to help workers who earn tips and overtime, but there are a lot of questions.
Okay, I've got the quesadilla, excuse me.
It's lunchtime at Malo Restaurant downtown. Ask any server who earns a paycheck with tips or overtime, and they'll tell you cutting their taxes is a welcome idea.
Some of us are still just in that $4 an hour range, so it definitely makes sense to maybe at least get some of that $4 instead of it all going to taxes. Was there anything else at all that I could grab, anybody?
Server Sarah Boyce has a lot of questions about the new tax law. It doesn't eliminate taxes for tips or overtime, but it does reduce taxes for certain workers.
The idea is very simple. It's to reward those people so they can keep more of what they earn in their pockets. And specifically, it's those folks that work above 40 hours, that work overtime, that make a living on tips. Those are the folks that are going to benefit most.
The bill creates a deduction for qualifying tipped income, allowing workers to reduce their federal income taxes on up to $25,000 in tips. The bill also allows a deduction for overtime pay up to $12,500 for single filers and $25,000 for married couples filing jointly. These deductions apply to income earned from 2025 through 2028. And don't forget to pay for the tax cut. The Congressional Budget Office estimates the bill would add $3.4 trillion to federal deficits over the next 10 years and leave millions without health insurance.
In some ways, this bill gives with one hand and takes away with the other.
Also keep in mind that those federal taxes will still be deducted from paychecks for those workers who have tips and overtime, but then they can claim a deduction if they qualify when filing their federal tax returns coming up next year. And remember, this does not change any state tax laws, including right here in Iowa. We're live downtown. Todd Magel, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
Todd Magel with all those answers. Thank you, Todd.